check this out, guys. This is one of the cleanest swapped Miatas I've ever seen, probably in the country. It's got an LS3 swap, and look how beautiful that looks. Look at that, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. And he's had this car for about 13 years. So we're waiting for our friend Chris to show up before we go to this car event. But look at this. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Really cool car. Ilya's been daily driving his Miata for 15,000 miles so far. He finished the project in 2020 with his brother. It took 2 years on jack stands, and here's the video of it starting for the first time.
The throttle's still reporting 28.
Okay. All
Okay.
right, ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.